If you want to create the cool color tone effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, this is how you can do it. Click on this new page icon and click on the color matte and press OK and choose the desired color of which you want to create this color tone effect. I'll choose this one and press OK. Later on you can even change this one. Let it be default name color matte and press OK. And now just drop it over your clip. You can extend it if you have the multiple clips, and thereafter just go to the effects control, and in the effects control just come down in the opacity tab. Over here you will see this blend mode. Just click on this normal and just change it to the screen, and you can see this is how you will get this bright look. If you can adjust the opacity, if you don't want that much, you can even change this to something else like multiply. You can change it to linear burn, or you can go for the overlay and the soft light. Soft light and overlay works best for this color tone effect. So now if you just play it, you can see this is how it looks on this clip, and this is how it looks on the second clip, third clip, fourth clip. And if you are not happy with the color, you can always change this color by just double clicking on this color matte there. And now let's go for this color, and boom, we got this color. Let's change it to something like this. We got this. If we change it to something like this, we got this. You can literally change it to any color you want, and you can always adjust its opacity by going to the effects control and lower down its opacity or increase. If you want to watch my latest videos first, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, because my latest videos goes live first on YouTube. If you are watching this on Instagram or Facebook, make sure you like the video and follow me.